All right, so today what we're going to do is a standing dumbbell row. So what you're going to do is you're going to hinge forwards at the hips so that you're parallel to the ground with your back. So hinge, 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 bend at the knees more. Feet can be hip width apart, which they are right now. Your chin is tucked in, which it is right now. And then what you're going to do before you start that is squeeze the shoulder blades down and back, and then breathing out, now pull with your elbows towards your bum. Good. And then all the way forwards. Notice how the shoulders are not moving at all. Squeeze. She's squeezing her shoulder blades back and down, and you can see that the traps are trying to stay soft. If your traps are engaging, then you're not squeezing the shoulder blades hard enough. Good. And you can see as the exercise gets harder that she will try to stand up higher, but what you want to do is almost be parallel to the ground. So fold over more. Good. Now go. Way harder? Yes. So that's how you do a dumbbell row standing.